Oh, hi Marcus.
Hey, hi Athena.
Are you free now?
Yeah, what's up?
I'm going to ask you 20 questions about nursing. But before we start, can you do a quick introduction about yourself?
Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Marcus. I'm a Year 1 NUS Nursing student and also this year's Nursing FOP Director.
Great. First question, what is one way to prepare for nursing school?
Preparing for nursing school. Oh, that's a tough one actually. I like to watch a lot of medical shows, so from there I can learn the medical terms that's frequently used.
What shows do you recommend?
What shows do I recommend? I like Grey's Anatomy a lot, but there's also good shows like The Good Doctor as well as House and D. Those are great as well.
What is one study tip you have for juniors?
Study tip that I have for my juniors. Time management actually. I think time management is very important. You can hear it being used frequently, like how important and how vital it is to have a balanced and a vibrant uni life. So don't take up too much commitments that you can't handle and just don't spread yourself too thin. Yeah.
So, what's your learning style?
My learning style? Okay, my learning style is that I'm a visual learner. I like to watch YouTube videos to clarify my concepts. But for that, some people may find it like a distraction because there's a lot of things moving around.
Do we need textbooks for school?
Textbooks for school. Yes, there's recommended reading lists and the textbook guides for school for most nursing mods. Your module will send it to you. So for physical copy, you can buy at the NUS Co-op bookstore. But you can get a digital one, so it's like an e-book sort of thing. And that's much better because it's just like Googling.
When are exams held?
Exams, there's two types of exams, midterms and finals. So for midterms, right, Sem 1 midterms are actually held in September. For finals, it's held in November. For Sem 2, your midterms are held in March and your finals are held in April. But because of COVID, things may be changing.
Do you get to choose your curriculum?
Curriculum, yes and no. No, because NUS nursing curriculum is rather structured. So the cohort will take the same mods. And it's something like, you know, secondary school, when you actually have like the same classmates for 1 year, then every Sec 2, Sec 3, you get new classmates, right? Yeah, so it's something for that for NUS nursing, rather fixed. But you get to choose unrestricted electives. So these UEs, you can actually meet new people from other faculties as well. How cool is that?
That's so cool! So how many UEs must we take?
For UEs, to graduate without honours is 3 UEs and you take them before Year 3 Sem 1. To graduate with honours, that's 4 UEs, so take them before Year 3 Sem 1, or you can take the last UE in Year 4.
Do we have to take general education modules?
Oh, GEMs. Okay, GEMs are actually fully exempted for nursing students, but if you're going to take the GE mods as UEs, you're allowed to.
When do we need to decide if we want to take honours?
For honours-wise, you have to take it by Year 3, Sem 1. You're going to decide that. And also your cap has to be higher than 3.2.
What are the benefits?
Benefits of honours. 2 of them actually. So firstly, you get exposed to research processes and methodologies. Secondly, you get to do a thesis under the supervision of our amazing faculty staff and professors. Oh, and also that's MD6 actually. That's where most of our labs and tutorials are held at. And also the medical library.
With all that being shared, can a nursing student take a minor program?
Minor program, not that I've heard of. It's rather rare, so it's subject to the faculty's approval actually.
Can a non-nursing poly student pursue a degree in nursing?
Now, that's a very, very good question. Okay, so the person interviewing me, Athena, right? She's a non-nursing diploma holder. At the same time, she's currently in NUS Nursing doing her degree. So if Athena can do it, then everyone else can do it as well.
Thank you, Marcus. Speaking of poly students, are they required to take QET?
Yes, for the poly students, you have to take the qualifying English test, also known as the QET, unless you have A-levels, GP or KI, or international English qualifications such as IELTS or TOEFL. But for that, you have to check with NUS admissions.
Please share with us about how lessons are conducted in NUS Nursing.
Sure, there are basically 3 types of lessons: lectures, tutorials and labs. So for lectures, there are live lectures and recorded e-lectures which deliver to a cohort size of students about the topic. For tutorials, it is an intense and guided classroom-sized discussion where majority of learning takes place since clarifications are addressed here. Lastly, labs are the place for you to translate theory into practice and hone your nursing skills, making you ready for attachments and your career as a nurse.
What are the devices recommended for nursing?
Devices? I use an iPad in lectures. It's very easy to take notes. But for exams, I use laptop because the e-exam software supports macOS and Windows.
How many attachments do we have in a year?
Attachments, 2 of them actually. One in December and the second one in June. Yeah.
How are they like?
Okay, personally, very tiring. I always forget to drink water, so my lips become very dry. But the good thing about attachments is that you actually learn a lot and you can practice your skills to the practical on a real-life patients. You can also bridge the gap between theoretical and practical knowledge.
Do nurses get to choose what they specialize in?
You can choose what to specialize in, but ultimately the hospital will have the final say. And if you manage to choose a specialization, they will send you for your intended advanced diploma courses.
Alright, last question. What's one advice you have for the freshies?
Advice? Patience. Patience is a virtue, it's correct. Having patience while dealing with your academic struggles, even your attachment struggles, it's very important to have patience. So eventually, right, things will be better for you. So having patience is important.
So thank you, Marcus. It's been incredible. See you around in school. Bye!
See you!